Hey everyone, it's Mrs. Cabral. I was just coming to make you a video on doing 10 more 10 less and 100 more 100 less, which is what you're going to be working on this week from your second grade teachers. What I'm showing you now in the video, I've also put a paper copy of inside of my folder on the Fitzgerald website for this week. So if you need to, you can always look at that to help you. So before we start, I just want to make sure we go over our hundreds, tens, and ones place in a 3-digit number. So with your 3-digit number, if it was 432, your first digit is your hundreds place, your middle digit is your tens place, and your last digit is your ones place. So when we're doing 10 more and 10 less, we're going to be looking at just this number in the middle, but keeping our hundreds and our ones for right now the same. So when we're using the base 10 blocks to draw it, remember your hundreds are the squares, and then your tens would be sticks, and your cubes would your ones would just be the dots. So for this number 400, we would draw 4 of our hundreds squares. Our tens place has a 3, so we'll draw 3 10 sticks, and our ones place has a 2, so we'll draw 2 ones. So that would be 100, 200, 300, 400. 410, 420, 430, 31, 32. Okay, so if you're doing 10 more, we're going to come over to our 10 sticks and we're going to just draw 1 more. That's 10 more. So now if we look at our number, we kept our hundreds the same, so it's still 4. We added 1 more to our 10, so now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And we kept our ones the same, so we still have 2. So our new number would be 442. Okay, so then going back to our original number, 432, if we're going to do 10 less, instead of adding a 10 stick, we're going to take 1 away. So we're just going to exit out. Again, we kept our hundreds the same. We still have 4. Now our tens, we only have 1, 2 tens, and we still have 2 ones. So our new number is 422, because again, we took away 1 of our tens. Okay, so this time if we do our hundreds place again is our first digit. So we're going to look at our 4. So we still have 432. If we're going to do plus 100, we're going to draw 1 more 100 square on. We leave our tens and our ones alone because we're only adding 1 more 100. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 500. We still only have our 3 tens, so 30, and our 2 ones. So we have 532. Then if we're going to take 100 away, so we'll go back to our original number, 432. If we're taking away minus or less than 100, we're just going to cross 1 of our 100 squares out, and now we have 1, 2, 3, so 300. We still have 3 tens, so 30, and we still have 2 ones, 2. So now our new number would be 332. That would be our 100 less. All right, so if you have any questions, I've also written this out, like I said, on a document in the folder for this week for second grade, and you can always email me or message me on Class Dojo, and I'll be happy to help you. Okay, see you guys soon.